guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this makeup look right here using the Norvina palette. It is a pinky rose gold look and it is a collaboration with my fellow YouTuber Melinda Fenves. If you guys haven't subscribed to her, I'll have her channel linked down below and her video. So she is going to create a makeup look using the same palette. So make sure you check it out. I love her videos. They are very professional. She's on point. Make sure to check her out. I'll link everything down below. And if you guys are from her channel, welcome. My name is Adriiii. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified whenever I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. As I said in the intro, I am collaborating with Melinda and we're both going to use the Norvina palette. So here it is. You guys already saw it in my last video, which I will link down below. This is what the palette looks like. I didn't really show it in the last video, but today we're gonna play around with the pinks. I'm gonna use the shade Love, I'm gonna use Passion and Wild Child. First I'm going to prime my eyelids with the P. Louise base and I got the shade 0.5. I'm just gonna apply it and not set it with any powder. So this is going to be a little different. This base is amazing and I ordered it off of the P. Louise website and it's from another country. It took them like 21 days to get here, so it's definitely worth it though. This base was amazing. I used it in my last video. That was my full face of first impressions and I loved everything. Everything was amazing. It was a success. Let's start with the shade Love. I'm just going to tap and you get a lot of fallout. I'm gonna start in the middle here. The color looks definitely more vibrant than using a concealer and loose powder. I'm going to take a clean brush now. This is the Morphe E30 and I'm just gonna blend that upwards a little bit. Not too far up where your eyebrow is at, but just slightly. The next shade that I'm going to use is called Passion. So now I'm going to take a smaller brush. This is the Anastasia one, the one that came in the palette. I'm just going to stamp this color right at the outer corner to give a little bit of definition. And then I'm going to take another blending brush and just blend it out. Now to cut the crease, I'm going to use my P. Louise base again. After that's done, I'm going to go in with the other shade named Wild Child. I'm going to do it first with my finger and then the brush wet. So first I'm going to take my ring finger, this is the shade Wild Child, and then apply it directly. I'm going to use a brush for the edges. I'm just going to take a little bit of Passion and pat it at the outside of the crease, just so you can blend both of the colors together. I'm going to spray just a little bit of Fix Plus with the shade Wild Child. First apply the shade to the brush and then spray the brush, just so you don't ruin your eyeshadows. These shades are intense, That looks pretty bomb. Now I'm going to cut the other crease off camera and I'll be right back. Now I'm going to start with the face. I'm going to use the Benefit POREfessional Pearl Primer. wherever I have large pores, which is my nose and part of my cheek and above the lip. And then I like to apply some on my forehead. For foundation today, I'm actually going to use the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear foundation. I've used this before on clients, but not on myself. So let's see how this works on my skin type. And I got the shade 140 Ivory. For concealer, I'm just going to use my Colourpop concealer. To contour my face, I'm going to use the Morphe Debutante bronzer here. To highlight, I'm using the Beam highlight right next to it. For blush, I'm using the Peaches blush from MAC. For the lower lash line, I'm just gonna use the little small brush from Anastasia. And this has some of the passion color in there. For lips, I'm using the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in shade 2. And then I'm gonna use this KKW Beauty lipstick in the shade 1. And then on top of that, I'm gonna use some gloss from the Patrick Star collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you guys so much for watching.